Hello students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. I hope you all are fine. Now, through this video, I'm going to start a quick revision for limitations of accounting. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now, finally the last topic to be done in revision for chapter number 1, that is limitations of accounting. In accounting, we record monetary transactions only. It means all other transactions, whatsoever importance they may have, if they are of qualitative characteristics, we will ignore it. Therefore, accounting records monetary transactions only. It means it ignores other qualitative aspects such as respect, ethics, honesty, and integrity, which can be termed as one of the biggest disadvantage of accounting. Now, next is accounting records are historical in nature. For example, we purchase a building with land in 1997 for rupees 4 lakh, and we still, even on today, representing that building for rupees 3 lakh. But we know the value of land and building increases with the time. Therefore, historical concept can be termed as one of the biggest drawback of accounting, since it does not represent real value of the business. Next, one of the most important limitation of accounting is window dressing. Accounting principles are not static. Information containing in accounting may be manipulated by the accountants. It means sometime accountant may show higher amount of profit to avail loans, whereas actual amount of profits are too low. And on the other side, sometime accountant may represents lower amount of profits to reduce tax liability of his clients. Such practices are known as window dressing. Next and fourth, one of the most important limitation of accounting is not free from personal bias. It means it represents some information which is based on some personal judgment, and those personal judgment may vary from one person to other, which may create different result for same type of information. Therefore, it can be termed as one of the biggest disadvantage of accounting. Next, one of the most important limitation of accounting is based on estimation, and some accounting data which is based on estimation which may be accurate or inaccurate. Therefore, on the basis of such information, if any business organization thinking about growth or target, which may create false perception in their mind regarding achievement of such growth and target. Now, finally, the last and one of the most important limitation of accounting is it takes money as a measurement of unit. And as we know, the value of money is increasing or decreasing day by day. So it ignores price level changes, which can be termed as one of the biggest drawback of accounting. Now, now after completing all the limitation, let us make a quick view of the limitations. First limitation which we revised today is it records only monetary transaction. Second, it records information in historical nature. Third, it can also be affected by window dressing. Fourth, it is based on personal bias. Fifth, it is based on estimates. And finally, the last one, money as a measurement of unit change in value. Now, that's it, and goodbye. And please, again, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.